His name was Sholem Shtern, and he was born in a small town in Poland called Tishevitz, or pronounced in Poland Tishevitz, which I guess is near the Czech border. During the First World War, he and his sister Shifra, there wasn't much food around. He was about, he would have been, I guess, maybe about 7 or 8. He and his sister used to go to the farmers' fields and steal potatoes because they didn't have enough food. They used to crawl under the fences, and they would steal enough potatoes to bring home to the families so they have stuff to eat. They had an older brother who was killed in the First World War. They had evacuated the town at one point, and the brother and his father had gone back to Tishevitz to sort of look at the house or to get something. And a French plane flew over the house and bombed the house, and his brother was killed in the house. A slat from the ceiling fell down and killed him. So I think he was maybe 18 or 19 when he died. One of the other incidents that I remember about a lot of conversations about Tishevitz and this, he didn't tell me about this, I guess, until maybe the mid-60s, at a time when he used to like to go out with my friends sometimes when I was, at university. And when my friends discovered that he was an old radical, I mean, this was really great stuff for them, right? Because this was the 60s, right? Anyway, he told them that after the First World War, the Russian army, which was coming back from the front, stopped in Tishevitz, and Trotsky addressed the crowd in the town square. I've never heard this story. Anyway, I said to him afterwards, I said, well, what exactly did he say? And he said the people in the square were mostly the Jews in the town, and he told them there was no anti-Semitism in the Soviet Union. Really something, considering what transpired afterwards.